Yes. Please tell me.
Yes. Can I start?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi, everyone. So, welcome to Trainer Squad. My name is Aishwarya. I have 8+ years of experience as a certified corporate trainer in the field of ServiceNow, and I have completed my BTech from VTU University, Karnataka. And I have worked on many projects, automotive project, retail industry project, and healthcare project, and insurance project as well. And many of you have the question like, what is ServiceNow? Like, do you have any idea on ServiceNow?
No. ServiceNow is it's a ticketing tool.
Yeah.
They have also we have a CMDB and ITSM. This kind of roles they have. And I don't know that development part because I have worked in ServiceNow front end sites like ticketing tools and incident management and article creations and virtual agents creations. So these kind of work I know about that service now.
Yeah, first thing, when you said it's a ticketing tool, it's a wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a automatic. It will use for to automate the common business process. So when you are going for a support role, you can use it as a ticketing tool. But if you are going for admin and development role, you should not use it as a ticketing tool.
Okay.
Yeah. It is ITSM tool. It will use to automate the common business process. And what is mean by common business process here?
Common business process means every organization have different, I think, different rules and responsibilities. So accordingly, I think we can modify it and customize the service now.
Yeah, I want to give a one example. For example, in earlier days, if new employee is joining, so he need to provide many documents, right? But now we have one website. If a new employee is onboarding to the company, HR team will give one website. There they will provide the all the documents need to provide. Their details will be there, right? That based on their details, we need to upload the document, right? This type of like work will be done by using ServiceNow. And one comes to another example, like when, for example, you can take as a Flipkart. Flipkart, when we are purchasing something, so we are very much interested to see the status of the order, right? Like whether it's shipped or not, when it's going to be delivered to our address. We are very much interested to that. So we are doing everything, we are doing automatic everything by using ServiceNow tool. Okay. And many of you coming from like IT background, and some of you have the coding knowledge and some of you don't have the coding knowledge, and some of you coming from the non-coding background, right? So if you are it's like you have a question like, I don't have IT background, I don't have coding knowledge, can I learn ServiceNow, right? So if you don't have IT background and if you don't know about coding also, you can learn ServiceNow. And what is the salary package of ServiceNow professional? It's depend on your skills and it's depend on your previous salary. And future of ServiceNow as a developer and QA. See, for next 20 years, I can say we will get more opportunity in ServiceNow. Uh, and and when you register for the ServiceNow training in Trainer Squad, what you will get? You will get the access of live classes, and whatever the presentation we are giving in the live classes, that access also you will get. And based on the models, I will provide the notes, and one model is completed, I will give the assignment of that model, and you will get the MCQ questions as well. And once the like training is completed, I will give one small project as well. You can put that project in your resume as well. And mock interview. Once training is completed, we will arrange one mock interview. You can attend that mock interview that will contains the real time interview questions as well. And this is same. Just now I said no. What is ServiceNow? Like it will automate the common business process. It's deliver the customer growth and achieve operation excellence, transfer business certified operation. Everything it will do. We will see like everything in classes. And this is also same thing like earlier what I said. Who can take the ServiceNow training? Professional with no coding and no IT background, and a fresher with any graduation, and professional with the testing background also they can take ServiceNow, and professional with IT background they can also take the ServiceNow training. And when comes to, we have two parts, right, in ServiceNow. One is admin part and one is development part. So, what is the role and responsibility of the admin and what is the role and responsibility of the developer? So, as a admin, we are creating users. Users mean, for example, when you are joining any company, you will get one user ID and password, right? That how to create that user, we will we will learn by using like we will create by using ServiceNow. We are going to learn that in class. And group management, like for example, you can consider a network group, you can consider a desktop, you can consider any support groups, that how to create that group, how to add the members in that group, we are learning in the class. And data management, and whatever data we are storing by using form, by using form, by using fields, whatever we are storing, how that will store to table, how the tables will work, how to create the tables, we are learning in this class. And ACLs means it will comes under security part. For example, we have one file. That file only manager can access to that file. How to give a access to that file by using ACLs, we will learn in the classes. And the configuration and basic automation. Basic automation means just I said no, like how to create the user, how to automate the process, how to set the state values. We will learn in admin part. And report and dashboard, once your work is done, like how to create that report. If your manager is asking for any report, how to create that report. And if your manager is asking for reports of last 10 days, last 1 week, last 1 month, last 1 year, how to create that report, how to put that into dashboard, how to share that dashboard, we will learning in the classes. So what is developer role? So admin is fully, it don't have a coding, but when you come to developer, there will be, we have a client script and server side scripting. Client script means like whatever in the front end we are seeing, that we called as client script. And back end, whatever we are storing, back end how to work with a script, we are seeing in a server side script. And business rule and script include, this will also comes in under server side scripting. And UI policy and UI actions. So UI policy and UI actions also, like buttons, links, how we will create the button. When you click on button, how it will submit to the backend. That everything we will see in the class. And glide APIs. It means glide API in integration using REST and SOAP. Means if we have ServiceNow, if you want to integrate with a ServiceNow to ServiceNow, and if you integrate with a ServiceNow to any other tool, for example, you can take as a Jira tool, how to integrate that using APIs. We will learn in the class. So career growth. What kind of career growth we have in a ServiceNow? If you are joining as an admin, after that you can apply for a technical lead. After you can apply for consultant. After that you can apply for functional manager. After you can apply as a ServiceNow project manager. So this is again same. For you can, based on your experience, based on your skill set, you can apply for the any roles. And here in ServiceNow, we have another role called ServiceNow Implementation Specialist. So what is this means? For example, we are using ServiceNow tool to create any application. So how to create that application, that we call as implementation here, how to implement that application, and that also we are seeing in this class. Like I will take one 3-4 classes and I will teach how to implement the any application. I will take the one example of application and I will show how to implement the application. You can, if based on experience, based on skill set, you can apply for ServiceNow implementation specialist role as well. Hmm. The same thing, this is same like above what I explained. ServiceNow admin and development curriculum we are going to see now. First module in the first class, I will go with the first, I will tell the admin. After admin completion, we will go with the development in classes. Like first, I will give the introduction, after that architect, and how to use the interfaces and navigation, and if one person have this rule, he can access whatever the file, whatever the things he can access, and how to install PDI. PDI means personal developer instance. This is like in real time, whatever the instance we have, that will be we called as PDI. It will be free. It contains the demo data. By using that demo data, we will work on the service now. So earlier I mentioned, no, same like that, how to create the user, how to create roles, and how to create groups, and ACLs, and personal user interface, and delegation administration. Do you, like, anyone have any idea on delegation? What is delegation? Delegate.
Delegate means we give the rights to particular users.
Yeah, please tell me.
Delegate means if anyway creating a users, we give that rights to that particular users and roles and responsibilities.
Yeah, if the person is not available, then he can assign their task or whatever the approvals, whatever the meetings notification he is getting, he can assign the task notification approval for a particular time period. He can assign that whatever work he has, he can assign to another person, that we call as delegates. How we will create delegate, that also we will see in this class. And we will see the overview of core application. Like we have a application like incident, problem, change, knowledge, and service catalog. We have many application here. We will see the overview of the application. As a admin, as a developer, we are not working in an incident, problem, change, but we should have a knowledge on that. Like in this class, I will tell, like at the training section, I will tell what is the state model, what is the state model, how it will going to be work. We should have knowledge on that. That overview we are covering in model 3. In data management and list, it's again same like what earlier I mentioned. Tables and records fields, like how to create the tables and how to insert the records in tables, and importing data using import sets. Like if we have a raw data, how to import that data and how to export that data, we are seeing in the class. And transfer maps and data sources, like if there is a many users is there, we want to import their many user to our service now. How to import that by use from the data source, we are seeing that in a class. And data policies and dictionaries, and data schema and relationships. It means like we have a many tables, like how one table is connected to another table, and how the data is flowing from one table to another table. We are seeing in the training sessions. Form customization and UI policies. Form customization means as per the requirement, client will ask to add some fields and need to change the some field, need to add the buttons, and we need to add the links. How to add that one, how to customize the form, we are seeing that one in model 5. And this is again same difference between UI policy and data policy. Here UI policy will comes under client side and data policy will comes under server side. Means we are saying like what is the difference between client side and what is the difference between server side, how it will work, we will see that in a training session. Incident and problem management state models. Again, I explained earlier, like we are seeing the state models. We are seeing the overview of that models. This is how it will work. Like it will go from new state to in progress to resolved to closed, and how it will come to on hold, how it will be closed. This is problem management. After completion of incident, we will go with the problem. There will be a little bit difference between the incident and problem. What is the difference? How the state model will be there? We will see in this model. And model 7, it is change management. Here we will see the state model and the types of changes we have. We will see in this model. Again the same knowledge management, like in knowledge means if you are searching anything in the short description, like if you are facing network issue, you want to raise the ticket, if you just search network, then you will get the network article. How you will create that article, how you will create the knowledge base, we are seeing that in module 8, that is knowledge management life cycle and state model. And this is reports and dashboards. Once the manager is asking for any reports or any dashboards, how to create the reports, how to create the dashboard, and the types of report we have, everything we are learning in the module 9 and module 10. So this is up to this admin part is completed. Now comes to development, ServiceNow developer training, what we are learning in this. So introduction, we are learning overview of ServiceNow platform and basic navigations and role of ServiceNow developer and developer environment setup, how to set up the developer environment. And scripting in ServiceNow. I will give the introduction to scripting, JavaScript in ServiceNow, and what is client-side scripting, and the types of client script we have, and server-side scripting. In server-side, what are the types will come, like business rule and script include, and the types of business rule, and real-time scenarios also I will complete in this model. And Glide API, like how API will work and what are the types of API we have, and debugging and troubleshooting, like if we are facing any issue with a script, any issue with the client side and server side scripting, how to debug that one. We will learn everything in the module 2.
Sure, here I don't have any scripting knowledge and how to do that. Even I don't have any basic knowledge about it. So
What?
I don't have any scripting knowledge about Java, like and Glide API and these kind of. So
Yeah, see here in the service no, we have very basic scripting.
Mhm.
So just wait 1 minute, we have a next slide for that. See, before starting the ServiceNow scripting, I will teach what is programming language, what are the data types, operators, and I will give the short programs also, like how it will work. So once you understood everything, then only we will learn. After that, we will learn the oops concept. Like first, I will tell the basic concept. I will tell after that, I will tell some advanced concept. That also it will not come in ServiceNow. That is concerned very basic programming language. Then also I will complete this. What is class? What is object? What is polymorphism? How it will work? And I will give the small programs, how it will work. I will tell everything I will teach before starting the scripting.
Okay.
Okay. After here I given the only introduction of development environment and how to create the application. We will start here. Creating custom application, what is the scope of the application and how to develop and manage the custom application. Like we are seeing the overview of this in this model 4. And user interface customization. From here, like how to customize the form, how to build the application, we are seeing in the model 5. So again, once the application is done, we have the form and we are giving a input to the form, input in the field, how it will store to table, and how to create the table. We are learning in the model 6. And update sets in ServiceNow. In real time, we have see first once the application is developed, we are not going to deploy in the production environment, right? First, it will be go to development. After it will go to testing. Once testing everything is done, then it will go to production environment. Like how to shift from one environment to one instance to another instance. We are seeing that in update set. We called it as a update set in ServiceNow, how to create the update set and how to import that data update sets from one instance to another instance. We are learning that in model 7. Notification and events. This is also scripting part. Once we started scripting part, when it's come to notification, I will tell like how it will work, how what is the notification and what is event, how it will work, and we will create the notification. We will send the notification to other instance, like other person. We will see like in real time how it will work. We will see like that only in notification and events model. And schedule jobs, like if I am not available, I have created the report, but I don't want to send the report tomorrow. I want to send the report day after tomorrow, or I want to send the report after 1 month. How to send that report after 1 month? We have to schedule that time. How to schedule that? By using scripting. We will learn in schedule jobs. That is comes under model 9. We will see schedule jobs. And service catalog development. For example, I just now I mentioned, no, like a Flipkart we have. If we order something, for example, I am ordering mobile. I want to put the image of mobile. I want to put the like wish list. I want to put like order by. I want to put the status. I want to configure the status. I want to put the approvals. How to put that one? How to configure the service catalog? Like catalog means whatever the product, how to put that one in the service portal, and how to create the catalogs, how to automate, how to attach the workflow to the service catalog. We will see everything in the model 10. Like this, for example, we have like a laptop. The person is searching for the laptop, like whatever, like hardware, software, network, IT and non-IT, everything, like buy now, everything, how to add that one, we will see in the module 10. Integration and web services. And what is web services? What is integration? Integration means the flowing data from one tool to another tool, like how it will work, how we will integrate, how we will work with the REST and SOAP APIs, how we will work in integration. We will see everything in the model level. And workflow and flow design. Workflow and flow design, it will use to automate the approval, to automate the reject, and how we will attach that to catalog, and how to create the workflow, how to create the flow design. We will see in the workflow and flow design topic. That will model 2, model 12. And once the training is completed, you will get the certification from the trainer squad as a your completed trainer squad certification or internship. You can take anyone as per your wish. And this is all about this class. And if you have any doubts, anything, you can ask me.
Ashwara, what is the duration of this course? And
It will be 2 months. For admin 1 month, for development 1 month.
okay. If I completed the only I taken admin parts, so do I have a chance to get a job or any opportunities are available in market?
Yes, already you are working, no, for you it will be easy. If somebody is
See, what
not working.
happened currently, I'm jobless as I have knowledge about service now more than 8 years. I have used as a ticketing tools and some of the parts I worked in service now. That knowledge I have. But if after that taking that admin part, so how it's markets? Do you have any jobs available for only for admin level things, or do I
Admin
need to
level we
complete
have a
the
job.
development as well?
Yes, admin level we have a jobs, but if you take on development also, it will be plus point for you.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah, and within a 2 months it will complete.
Okay.
Yeah,
And do you
and
have any
already you have
placements?
another yeah, please tell me.
Sorry, go ahead, go ahead. So I'll ask after that.
Already you have a experience, right? You can apply
Mhm.
for any of the role which is available in, you can apply for any of the role. If you completed one admin and development, you can apply for any of the roles.
Mhm. Okay. And do you have any vacancies? You will give any job uh, like references, or do you have any things what do you say that do you have any tie up with any companies?
Yeah, here I will see. Yeah, I will
Mhm.
show it 1 second. Once you register now, you will get you will get the access to this ServiceNow learning portal. You can learn anything, like learn the ServiceNow video. You can access the courses. You can write the exams, and you can attend the mock interview here. You can attend the test here, and you will get the another access of website access, that is job openings, admissions, reviews, everything you can see from here, and you will access to this portal job openings. So here many openings will be, they will be provided from the training squad. You can apply to that. You can apply to the jobs from the trainer squad.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it means you will provide us a reference to that particular company.
Yes, they have a reference. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. And class timings, uh,
Class
so Monday
timing
to
now
Friday.
already 8 p.m. batch is going on. In which time
Uh-huh.
you are available?
Morning, 10 or 11.
Morning.
Yeah, 10 or 11, 10 p.m., 10 a.m. and 11 a.m.
Okay, what about evening?
Bit difficult for me.
Uh,